Mic check. Y'all hear me? What's going on? FaZe, Skirtle, Julian, Gel or Jelly. Posting up real quick. What is going on? You hear me? Cool, cool. Hold up. Let me tweet. I mean, not tweet. Let me post this up. Need to get the link. Share. Oh my God, I hate when I'm gonna like hit something on the top corner and then I get a notification. Live. Who else is in here? What's up, Ralph? Yes, I know the screen was black. That was on purpose. What's up, Kelly? What's up, Hassan? What's up, Mom? Malena? Lauren, Philip, Viper. I'm posting it on Instagram. Hold on. Who else is in here? Shafi, RC from Vienna. Nice. Let's see. Max devices. Did I put the link on here? Bro, why does this keep coming up? All right. Posted the link. Let me post the link on the Discord. Who else is in here? Kelly. No, I do not know anything about United Token. Ivan Garcia, what's up? Swiss, what's up? What's up, Santi? Yeah, for sure, man. All right, I think I covered all of my social medias. Oh wait, I forgot Twitter. There's just so many different social medias. All right, now I covered all social medias. What's up, Brandon? Happy hump day. What do I think about Binance? Like, as an exchange? Binance Coin? Binance Coin has been crazy. I'm watching Bitcoin right now. Whoops. So we keep getting rejected right now, right at that 50K level. What's up, Ridden? Do you buy any projects on Uniswap? Not really. Swiss, make sure to watch the. Did you watch the VIP onboarding video yet? Skirtle, I would probably swap it for ADA. I'm not big on BCH, but that's just my personal opinion. What's up, Tony? Yeah, Ledger Nano wallets are cool. I think they got hacked though at some point recently. The information on it, not that they got like they hacked the money on it, but they hacked like the information. All right, I'm gonna look over the coins that were requested on Instagram on what I posted up yesterday, and I'm gonna go over the ones most requested. So I'm seeing a lot of ADA, so we'll definitely be doing that. Let's see. I'm gonna choose the 5 that I see the most here, and then I'll do a few that you guys request that's not from here. So I see, let me write them down. So Cardano's for sure gonna be one, because that's like literally the one I see the most right now. Let me go ahead and write it down. ADA. What else? I see a lot of Link, dot BNB. So I'm gonna put Link, dot BNB, and I'm gonna pick one more from here. Probably going to be let me scroll a little bit through it. Somebody wrote Tether. They want me to do an analysis on Tether. All right, I think that last one that I'm gonna choose from here, I'm between Litecoin and XRP. Those are the next two that I'm seeing a lot. Would you guys rather Litecoin or XRP? Let me know in the chat. Why do we keep getting rejected? There's just not enough volume on the move up. Can hear you very loud. Turn down your volume. Can't hear you very loud, then turn up your volume. All right, I see Litecoin the most here, so that's gonna be the fifth one. And then after we do those, I'll do I'll do a few that get requested in the chat as well. All right, so we got our list. How's everybody doing today? Everybody good? Did you guys survive the drop on everything the last 2 days? We got 47 people in here. We got 17 likes. Let's even that out. I want 48 people, 48 likes. Sunny and hot in Greece. That's amazing, man. I've been wanting to go to Greece. All right, so the first coin we're going to look at well, let's start off with Bitcoin here, even though we've spoken a lot about it over the last 2 videos. Just so to start things off here. So we had that 23% drop pretty much here from the all-time high. As you guys can see, the drop from the all-time high all the way down was about 23%. Currently, we're down from the all-time high about 14%. So about 14 to 15% right now from all-time highs. But on the bigger picture, you guys can see that we're good. This is just another, you know, we were oversold over here, as I said in yesterday's video. The same thing happened over here when we were oversold. We had this big drop, big consolidation down before finally moving back up. And remember, the longer we consolidate, the bigger the move is going to be, right? So you saw how long this consolidation period was for. Basically started January 9th till almost 20 days. So it's about January 28th, 29th. Still kind of consolidating here. So in February 2nd really is when we started moving up. And if you look here, we have some divergence as well. Because this is going down, but this is going up. So it's not really agreeing with each other. Usually that's a sign of a dump coming or consolidation. So it's a sign in until these two start agreeing with each other again. So That's another thing that's probably led to this, as far as from a technical standpoint, because from a fundamental standpoint, you know, we've been getting really good news all week, really. The first news was, what was it? We had the tether. So, Tether and Bitfinex agreed to pay 18.5 million fine to end the New York probe. So that was a good news because there was a lot of FUD over that over really last month. Last month there was a lot of FUD over this. So this was good news. The other good news was Cash App or Square buys Bitcoin. So you guys can see here, Square bought about $170 million worth of Bitcoin, which is now about 5% of their cash. So that was more bullish news. Obviously, we've had Tesla bought 1.5 billion, and today we had MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy buys more than $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy bought 19,452 Bitcoins. So their total holdings of Bitcoins is 90,531 Bitcoins. Their average price is at 23,985 per Bitcoin. So it said that they bought at an average price of 52,765. It was around $1.03 billion, and they raised money in order to buy more Bitcoin. So we've had a lot of bullish news. As you guys can see here on Twitter, Michael Saylor was talking about it. He announced that they bought the Bitcoins. Square, you see here, they have 5% of their balance sheet in Bitcoin. Tesla has 8% of their balance sheet in Bitcoin. And MicroStrategy has 95% of their balance sheet in Bitcoin. So we've had a lot of bullish news in the market over the last few days. But, you know, price hasn't really been moving too much. We've had this dump. And I would imagine it seems like it has to do with the technicals, because there's no other reason really for such a dump. Still up in your portfolio. Nice, Brandon. Cold and icy. Estonia. Where is that? I don't even know where that is. It is hot and sunny down here in Florida. Freezing in Ireland. That's crazy. Yeah, we're going to talk about Cardano now. Louis-San in the house. What's going on, Louis-San? 305 in the house. Big Sunny in SoCal. Nice. Sunny in the Netherlands. Nice. We have people from all over the world. Everybody tell me where you're from in the chat. I want to see how many different places we have. Frederick, I do not really use Binance, no. I have some altcoins in Binance, but I really don't use it. Like, it's just kind of sitting there. It's just been sitting there for a while. Poland. Nice. Ice cold in Sweden. We have Canada. We have Germany, Pennsylvania, India. We have 2 Indias. We have Nigeria, England. It's rainy in England. St. Pete, Florida. Nice. We have Iran in here. We have Hialeah. Miguel from Hialeah. Fango y Factoria. We got Tennessee, Canada, Colombia. What's up, Rudy? Yes, we're going to talk about ADA coin. Nigeria again. So we have 2 from Nigeria. We have Israel in here. 41 to 42K. We have Mars in here. Hawaii. Slovakia. London. Colombia. Texas. Homestead. So we got a lot of South Florida. We got a lot of South Florida in here. That's where I'm from. The indicators that I use, so I don't really trade based off indicators. I trade based off price action. So you won't see me use too many indicators. You know, I use RSI mainly is the main thing you'll see me use. The other thing you'll see me use is the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is this right here. You'll see me use some moving averages and volume, and that's pretty much it. I'm not really into too many indicators. And I think that you shouldn't try to depend on indicators. Indicators, remember, indicators tell you the past. They don't tell you what's going on in the present, and they don't tell you the future either. So the closest thing to the future is the present. So, and that's price action. So that's why I use price action. Colombia, Cali, Italy, Algeria. How can I bring the CC into TradingView? I don't know what the CC means. Pennsylvania. Algeria, that's what's up. Switzerland. So we got a lot of people in here. That's what's up. We got 76 people in here right now. What's going on, guys? Make sure to like the video, ladies and gents. We got 75 and 34 likes. Make sure to hit that like button. If this is your first time in here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're about to review some altcoins right now. We just went over, gave a quick look at Bitcoin. If you want to see our thoughts deeper in depth for Bitcoin, check out yesterday's video. We did a deeper dive into Bitcoin, and we also gave you guys some trade setups, so you guys can check out that. Today we're more focused on altcoins, so that's what we're gonna be looking at. You meant Fibonacci retracement levels? What do you mean? I don't understand what you're asking. What moving averages do I use? You can see them right here. The 21 and the 50, and sometimes I'll put the 200 as well. But again, I don't rely too much on that. I'm mostly trading based on price action. Portugal. What's up, Eduardo from Portugal? Adam, I have 5 altcoins that I'm gonna cover first that were requested the most here, and then we're going to take some requests from the chat. let's see here. I'm pulling up. What in the world is going on back there? All right. So the first thing we're gonna look at is Cardano. Let me pull up the chart here. Look at this. That was beautiful. Who took this trade right here? This was the 17th. So a week ago, yeah. So on the 17th, which was last week, last time we did our live stream, I told you guys this was a bull flag and I told you to buy these breakouts. Who took this trade? Because this broke out basically from 90 cents and it went up to the high of 123. And it's dropped it back down as low as 80 cents. It looks like 90 cents here is that support. Let me go ahead. Where's this? Hold on. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci retracement level from its all-time high. So we have some consolidation here right now. We have 43 likes. Let's get those likes up, guys. Make sure to like the video. Pedro, I'm not sure what you're asking. Basically, to get it, you just come here, just click up right on there. You come down to where it says Fibonacci retracement. You could also hit Alt F, and then you pick where you want to start it off from. So start it on the bottom of an impulse move and then take it to the top, to the peak. That's it. It's pretty simple. Veli, I look at usually Fibonacci retracement levels. I look at the history of the price. So that's mostly what I look at is history of price. So what's happened in the past. I look at Fibonacci retracement levels and I look at just numbers. Please buy Bitcoin. I've bought a lot of Bitcoin. Paranormal activity? What? Brandon, you bought at 40 and at 80? Nice. DNR Entertainment, what do you expect Cardano to be worth in 5 years? My guess is as good as yours, brother. I'm glad I could help, Pedro. Venderson from Philly. Sweden, what's up? Wester from Sweden. So coming back here. So you want to be looking for probably a breakout. This looks like another bull flag here setting up. It'll probably kind of be within this channel here is what it's looking like so far. So one spot to buy is probably here at this 90 cent zone. As you can see, anytime it's hit that 90 cent zone, it's bounced up. The 90 cent zone also played a role here. You can see that there was a lot of resistance there. And it's part of this the bigger picture Fibonacci level, retracement level, which is that 38.2% level. So that 90 cent zone is a good support to possibly enter at. And it looks like 80 cents is also a good spot there. So you can see here it hit 80 cents and bounced. Here, every time it hit 80 cents, it bounced. So 80 cents seems to be a good support area as well. And $1 is a big whole number. So I would say that that could be a possible support area to buy in as well. So last week I told you guys to buy this breakout if it broke out of this channel, and it did. And you see when it broke out, it went all the way up to 123. So for a breakout entry here, you would be looking kind of for the same thing. You want to see a breakout above this channel, above this channel right here. That breakout would probably be above 110, somewhere there. But of course you have this this $1 level as well here. You can see there's been a lot going on there at that $1 level. So there's a lot of consolidation there. I would probably stay out of the $1 area and look to buy a breakout above 110. A safer might be above 115, or the safest would probably be a breakout above the previous high there. So those are the kind of levels I'm looking at here. But we should see possibly something like this, like what happened here, where it just kind of, it was within this channel until it took off, right? So that's kind of what we're watching here. There could be something similar there. Do I think there will be another drop? There's no way to know that. You know, you just got to play the price. There's no way to know if there's going to be another drop or not. Like I said, there's not really any reason other than the technicals on Bitcoin. There hasn't been a reason for a drop. Because we've been getting a lot of bullish news, right? So you would think that the price would be shooting up instead, but it's dropped. So yeah, I don't know. There's no way to predict drops. You can only predict where there will be resistance, where there will be sellers. What's up, Gaio from East LA? For ADA, the best place would be that 80 cents area. That's it looks like the best place, as close to 80 cents as possible. 85 cents is still a good spot, and then 90 cents would be probably the second best spot. If you can't catch any of those and the price goes up, then I would look to buy the breakout instead. What's up, David? Right now we're doing the most requested altcoins, and then we're going to take requests from the chat. Guys, we have 99 viewers in here right now. If we get one more, we will hit 100. And we only have 55 likes. We got to get those likes up. There we go. We got 100 viewers in here. What's up, guys? Oh, back down to 98. Make sure to share the stream, guys. Let's get over 100. I think the most we've had in here at once is 112 or 114, something like that. Let's break that today. What's the best way to pull profits? Yeah, it's probably easiest to transfer to Tether or something pegged to the dollar. Saudi investor pledges 4.8 billion to Bitcoin. Do you stake your Cardano? Not right now, but I might do it in the future. Samurai, I've gone over Bitcoin. I just did a quick price analysis on Bitcoin. And I went over some news, and then now I just went over Cardano. So next we're about to go over, let me see what was next here. Next we're gonna do BNB. BNB. Which one do I do though? There's so many. All right, let's just do, I guess, BNB USD. This is the next coin we're going to look at here. Look at this. This was under 30 for like ever. And then it just took off. That's crazy. I bought BNB at like $15 or less. I think I bought, the first time I bought BNB had to be under $10. I'd have to look to see at what price. You're good in counting? What? Turblanche. There's no way to know if it's going to dump like that again. There's no way to predict that or really see that coming. The only thing you can really say, the only thing you can really do is figure out, you can point out where the resistance and support is, and if it falls below certain support, then you can kind of predict where the next bounce will be, depending on where the next support is. So right now we're at Bitcoin's at 50,000. There's a lot of support on the way down. I think there's support like at 48K, 46K, 45, 42, 40. What's going to happen first? 112 plus years or 60K? No clue, man. Sup with BNB? We're about to look at BNB right now. Argentina. What's up, Damien from Argentina? Greetings from Austria. No problem, Benjamin. Yeah, ETH has been ranging because remember it's following Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin keeps going down, it pulls down the entire market with it. So Ravencoin, I haven't really looked at Ravencoin. I've never looked at it. Masty, you bought BNB at 273. Yeah, that's what you call a FOMO buy. Potaje salad? I beat you in beer pun? What? Masi, yeah, I think just be patient. It should go back up. Watching from Zaza. Is that lower lows forming? I wouldn't say that. I would say that's a bull flag forming. I bought BNB at 125 and sold at 262. Nice. Musk into Cardano? No, I think Musk was trolling Cardano. We give signals all the time in our trade group, Masti. You can check it out in the description below, I believe. All right, let's take a look at BNB here. Let's get this fib retracement tool. Kind of go from that first move up to the top here. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to get an idea of, you know, what's going on here. So it looks like right now we're right on this Fibonacci level. Wait, get this out of my way. Right now we're at that Fibonacci level. That's at 38.2% level. You can see that we've been holding there as support. That's right around that 230 area. So around 230 looks to be a good support there for this. As you guys can see, it's kind of in a down channel, right? So so this is a textbook bull flag. If you guys look up bull flag, images, this is a textbook bull flag. Usually when there's a bull flag like this, it consolidates within a channel before continuing up. So if you go back here and you look at this picture, you look at this pattern, it's basically the same pattern. So you have the impulse move up. This thing never lets me draw straight. I don't know why. Look at this. Whatever, you guys know what I mean. So you have the move up, then you have consolidation going down before continuation up. Now, in order to get that continuation up, we need to, Bitcoin either has to consolidate for a bit or needs to continue moving up as well. Because remember that when Bitcoin is dumping, it pulls down the entire market with it. So as long as Bitcoin's either going up or consolidating, then altcoins can run. If Bitcoin is going down and pulls down the entire market with it. Potaje salad is pita. What's up, pita? Who disrespected by giving you a dislike? You know, there's always haters. You can't be there's no success without people who hate. Yeah, there's people at people keep selling at 50K. Remember we told you guys about a week or two ago before we hit 50K that we expected a lot of selling to go on at 50,000. So you know, we ran through 50,000 pretty quickly, a lot faster than I expected. And now that we're back at 50,000, and now it's playing more of that role that I expected it to play, where, you know, it's going to take a bit for it to really take off. It can't just, 50K is a big number. There's going to be a lot of people selling, especially after this dump off. There's a lot of people not only selling, there's people not only are there people taking profits right now, there's people panic selling at a loss. A lot of new retail investors that just got in the game, they just bought at all-time highs because their friend told them to buy. When they saw the price going down, they cut their losses. A lot of people got liquidated with their positions. A lot of people got stopped out. So so yeah, That's all that plays a role into why Bitcoin has dumped and why we're stuck at 50K right now. Yeah, Elon is always just trolling, guys. Like, don't take anything he says serious. He's just trolling. He likes the attention. Yeah, Eduardo, I've seen some things on Raven Coin, but again, I haven't done enough research myself, so I can't really speak on it. You know, unless I do my own research on something, I don't really like to speak on it too much because I'm not informed enough to speak on it. You buy Bitcoin for 3 months hold. Yeah, you just gotta hold, man. Asima. Just hold and forget about it. Forget about it for 3 months. Don't look at the price. Lauren, no, I use it on everything. I just put the 1 day price because 1 day chart because it's cleaner. Once you go into 4 hours, there's a whole lot more candles. It looks a bit messier, but you can see here that the same levels basically apply here. On the 4 hour chart, you can see that this 38.2% level is very important there, and it's currently on the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Well, I'm sorry, it bounced on that, but we're currently up here. We got 71 likes, guys. If you have not liked it yet, make sure to hit that like button. Who here, how'd you guys find this stream today? Did you guys find it? Are you guys already subscribed? Do we have anyone that's not subscribed that just found it on YouTube? Masti, the signal giving group, is a paid group. I give free signals here on YouTube. If you want my day-to-day activity and trades, that's a paid group. VeChain, yeah, VeChain is pretty good. I think I have some VeChain, but I haven't looked at it in a bit. I have to take a look at it. Yeah, if you panic sell, then you're probably gonna panic buy. That's usually what happens. Rudy, I use Bybit, and yeah, I do have videos on it. If you go to my YouTube channel and you scroll down, you can see I did this one right here, Bybit tutorial for beginners. So I recommend you checking that out. That's the exchange that I trade on. Rudy subscribed. Okay, awesome. From Discord, Asher, Brandon was subbed. What's up, Marios? We're doing great. How you doing? Subscribed in IG. Max, we already covered. We just covered Cardano. If you want to rewind this, you can rewind the video and you'll be able to see it. All right, so next we're going to cover, let's see what's next on the list here. So we did Cardano, we did Binance Coin. We're going to do Polkadot next. So Polkadot is the next coin. Let's look at it in the daily chart. Cryptoris? No, I have not heard of Cryptoris. Bullish on VeChain. Mega, we will look at XRP in a bit. We're doing DOT right now. We're doing Polkadot right now. Next, we're going to do Chainlink. After we do Chainlink, we're going to do Litecoin. And after Litecoin, we will do XRP. We're at 77 likes right now, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to love it if you can. And subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look here at, let's see, at Polkadot. So let me put the Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retracement level. All right, you see how easy that it is. You just, so for the Fibonacci retracement tool, if you want to use it, you just pick the bottom of the move to the top of the move, right? So so I put it from the bottom where this initial move started, and then I put it all the way to the peak, and then that gives you these levels. Now, if you want to know more about how the Fibonacci tool works, of course, we did a video on this as well, like we do on everything. You just have to kind of go low a bit, because we did it a while ago. I don't even know where it is. Oh, here it is. Fibonacci, how to use Fibonacci retracements. So if you want more information on Fibonacci retracements, which is my favorite tool to use, you can check out this video. We did it 5 months ago, so it's a little bit, the quality is a little raggedy, but still great information on there. All right, let's lock the tool so it doesn't move. All right, so you guys can see it's basically very similar to Chainlink. I don't know why I made this arrow here. I think that arrow was the target that I had drawn out of this breakout. So let me see. On the 17th was the last stream. So the 17th last week when we spoke about it, we were right here. I think that I said that a breakout above this level would probably lead to $40, and that's exactly what happened. It went to as high as 42, but we got the main rejection here was at $40, which was there, which is exactly where I had that arrow. So right now, what we're seeing here, kind of the same thing here as Binance. We have like this channel where we're currently kind of consolidating in. And if you look at this channel, put a little poll on it, doesn't it look just like this? So what does that mean? That the probability on the next move from here after it's done consolidating is to continue up. So I definitely think that we could continue up and retest this previous high, and usually we would break that previous high and continue up higher. So if we break that $40 level, we should be looking at $50 as our next target. So that's currently what we're watching. I'm gonna leave this new arrow here to see if we are able to hit it within the next week. But we're currently here at $33. So we're on this Fibonacci retracement level right now, which is the 23.6% level. As you guys can see, there's been a lot of price action here. So look at this candle. Hold on. Look at this candle right here, this candle right here, this candle right here. So that's 3 days where we've been basically bouncing there, right? Then if you look over here, you'll see twice we got rejected there. So that was a previous resistance Now it is a support, but you do have to be careful because these candles are going pretty low. So this level is around $33, $34. But it's gone as low as, this low was $25. So it dropped all the way down to 25, tested that, and then bounced back up. So this is the day that Bitcoin dropped. So everything just kind of dropped hard that day. The last 2 days, really. So if I'm entering here at $33, $34 range, I'm probably setting a stop loss around 30. So below $30. So I'm risking $3. My reward is going to be at the $40 mark is the first reward probably. So my reward is about $6 for $3. So that's a pretty good trade as far as risk to reward. And then remember the final target really is this one right here, $50. So you could either take that trade there at $33, $34. Or you can wait for a breakout here. So a breakout's probably going to be above this candle somewhere. So maybe around $38. Or you can wait for a breakout above 40. Or if you want to wait, you can wait above a breakout above this previous all-time high. But I'd be looking to enter probably down here, or I'd be looking to enter at a support like right here or something. So this is right around that $30 range. The $30 range is going to be a nice big whole number. So that could be another spot to enter. You see that we had a bounce here before as well. Mario's, I just spoke about the Fibonacci levels. If you want to know more information on it, I did a video on it. It's right here, so you could check that out. Juan Pablo, I just changed the colors. Like if you just click it, if you click it and you go here to settings, thing style, yeah, style, see how you have like different colors. You could like mess with it, or you can just go like right here and you can change the color here as well. You see, it's currently where I have it, but you can make it any color you want really. What's up, Anil? Bitcoin's currently down to 49,600. So we've got rejected again at that 50K area. What happened with Tesla? Botter, yeah, we can look at ETH after we finish these coins here. We just did Polkadot. Next, we're gonna do Chainlink. No problem, Juan. Ivan, if you want more information on the paid group, you could either click the link in the description or send me a DM on Instagram and I will send you the information. All right, so we're at the 1 hour mark right now. Currently at around 65 viewers. We have 80 likes, guys. Keep hitting that like button, guys. Let's get it up to 100. Let's get it to 3 digits. All right, next we're doing Chainlink. Guys, for those of you requesting coins, we have coins that have already been requested that we're going through right now. So the next one we're looking at is Chainlink. So we gotta do this. You see the breakout here. Let's move this up to the new high, which is right around $37. So you guys can see we've had this breakout. So we've been talking about Chainlink since it was what, down here. We spoke, this was at, look at it here, it was at around $10. So we've been talking about Chainlink since it was $8, right? So I remember we spoke about it. Look at this, way back here. Look at our buy zone here was $10. Our buy zone back here, I remember speaking about this. It was around $8 there. Then it broke back above that $10 range that we had marked here. And now it's at $28. So we've been talking about Chainlink for a while now. It's done basically 3 times from the entry where we said. Done what, 300%? More really, if you go all the way up to the all-time high. So let's see. So it was pulled back. It was kind of ranging here after this move up. It went to this new high. And then, of course, when Bitcoin dumped, everything dumped as well. But year to date, it is up 153%. This month, it's up 13%. On the week, we're down 17%. In the last 12 months, we're up about 600%. So it looks like the high is up here. Then we dumped down to about $20. So that $20 range. That $20 range, if you look at it with the Fibonacci retracement tool, that's that golden ratio, right? That's that 61.8% ratio. So that was, if you bought here, like, that's a big brain right there. So that's a great level. As you guys can see, there's been a lot of support there over the last few weeks, months. So that was a great buy right there. And then we got the bounce back from there. And then currently we're at 28. So that next resistance is probably going to be $30. Right? That next support is going to be, it looks like there's a support right around here, which is around that $25 mark. As you guys can see, 3 different daily candles have been here. So $25 would be that next support I'm looking at. Below that, I'm probably just looking at this one, which is that $20 mark. So 25 and 20 is the 2 spots I'm looking for entries. If it doesn't go down to those levels, then I'm looking for a breakout entry is really what I'll be looking at. And that's probably going to be right around $30. So that $30 mark is going to be probably that next breakout trade. If we break above that, then I can expect to retest this previous high right here. So that's kind of what I would be looking for there. It can't draw, look at this, it doesn't let me draw a straight line. But yeah, that's what I'm kind of watching here in Chainlink. I expect this with a breakout to go back to its previous high, which is around $37. And we should probably test 40 at some point soon. So above 30, or if it goes down, I'm looking at 25 and 20. Juan Pablo, I'll have to do a whole video on that. It's not as simple as it sounds. Do I use fib extensions? Yeah, I use fib extensions for everything. On retracements, of course. So here I'm looking at this fib extension right here, which is close right here with $30. So you can kind of put that together. Remember, there's no exact prices in trading. It's all about zones. So it's never going to be an exact price. All right, so we did Chainlink. Next, we're going to do, I think Litecoin is next. Yep, Litecoin. All right, so I spoke about this last time. I said 250 was that big area here for Litecoin for a breakout. I'm not doing US 30. It is crypto, not Forex. Mark, you can use those. What's up, Oscar? What's up, Michelle? All right, so on Litecoin, we spoke about this 250 area last time, and you see that it got rejected, and then it dumped. So currently we're right on this Fibonacci level right here. And if we look, trying to see which level that is. That's actually the golden Fibonacci level, right? From its previous all-time high. So this is actually a pretty good level to get in. If we go ahead and move up the more recent Fibonacci level, let's go ahead and grab that and move it up to its new highs. I think it's around here. There's a lot of stuff here that I can't see. So let's get all this out the way. Let's just take all this out the way. Oh, there we go. All right. So there we go. So you can see the long-term Fibonacci level is the yellow one. The short-term one is the more recent one is the green one. And you can see that both levels are kind of in the same area. So that makes this a pretty strong area here. That's right around that 170 to 175, right? There's like 170 to about 175 area. 180 is close enough as well. So this is a nice support here to buy right now, right? We also have this 20 moving day, the 20-day moving average here. So pretty good spot to look for an entry. I expect to test these previous highs soon. And like I said this a few weeks ago when we were still down here. That I expect this to go back to its previous all-time highs, which is $420. Right now it's at 180. So we still have room to go. Litecoin always lags behind a little bit, but when it takes off, as you guys can see, it takes off. Look at that takeoff right there. So this is still a good buy. I'm still buying Litecoins. I like this here at 175 to 170. You could also enter above $200. You can see here that it had that resistance there at 200, and when it broke above 200, it had a big green candle. So the breakout trade here would be $200 above 200. Support entry here is going to be between 170 to 175. Yeah, for sure. Keep your Litecoin for sure. All right, so we're going to do XRP here. Let's take a look at XRP. Let's move this out the way. So XRP's it went up a lot. This was a pump right here. So there was like a pump and dump type of thing. There was also news on the case against the SEC. They had, you know, made a statement defending themselves or something. So that, as well as the pump together, kind of pumped it up all the way up here. Then it dumped all the way back down to around that 35-cent area, which is also a Fibonacci retracement level, right? That's the 78.6% level. And then now went all the way back up to around 65 cents. Then it got dumped back down to that 50-cent area, which is more or less where it's at. If you look here at the Fibonacci retracement levels, we're at the 61.8% level, which is the golden ratio. So this is, I would say, a good spot to possibly buy here if you're interested in XRP, right around that 45-cent area, which is pretty much where it's at right now. If it dumps further than that, then the next level of support is probably right around that 35-cent area. Looks like there's a little bit of support here at 40 cents as well. And if you're looking for a breakout, then I would say above 50 cents. Above 50 cents should probably lead you. It looks like it's been getting rejected right here. So that's right around that 57 to 60 cent range, right? So I would be looking to take profits there if I enter where it's currently at now or above 50. You could also have a new breakout entry above 60 cents, which would be above all of this right here, right? So above there, you should expect to hit probably 65 cents as it did here and here. And then it hasn't been able to break out, but from there, it could lead up to, you know, 80 cents and beyond for XRP. So the issue with XRP, it's really been moved by the news. They're in a lawsuit right now against the SEC. So because of that, technical analysis don't play such a strong role in it right now. So you just have to be careful, and you have to make sure to risk less money than you would on other coins right now. Just because any day it could say that, you know, some bad news could come out of the lawsuit, and the coin could dump back to these levels down here, right? Which was, you know, that 20-cent level. Or there could be good news for XRP and the coin could shoot up. So it's kind of a 50-50 shot. Nobody really knows what's going to happen there. I think they're probably going to settle just like Tether did with the NYAG, but we don't know. There's no way to know for sure. Thank you, Benoit. Am I saying that right? Benoit? Thank you so much. Mohammed, if you're having issues, um, it's probably the bank or your card, the company of your card that's flagging it as fraud because you're purchasing something that's in another country. So you have to call the company or the bank and tell them to let the charge go through. I've had other people that have had the same issues, and that's what they had to do to get that charge through. All right, guys, we're at 82 likes. We need 18 more likes to hit 100. If you're in here and you have not liked the video yet, make sure to hit that like button right now. Do it. Do it. All right, let's see. So that was XRP. All right, so we did Bitcoin, we did Chainlink, we did Polkadot, we did BNB, we did Litecoin, and we did XRP. We're going to do a few more requested from the chat. So you guys request some coins. The ones we see requested the most, we'll do. We're only gonna do like maybe two or so, because we've been live for almost an hour and a half. My voice is starting to go. So is my brain. I'm starting to get hungry. Bitcoin is still dropping. What's going on, Bitcoin? You gotta go up. You're going the wrong way. Let's take a look at the coin market cap. Let's see what is up the most right now in the top 100. Phantom. Is that what someone was saying? Phantom? STX? Voyager token. Is that from the Voyager platform? Is that what that token is? Dogecoin, Matic, Compound, Zilliqa, ICX, GRT, Pancake, Binance up 15%. Yeah, most things are up today. Uniswap. All right, let's see. Norman, we already did ADA. You could rewind the live and see that. Do it. We're at 90 likes, guys. Let's get 10 more likes. Yeah, we already did ADA. We did Cardano. That was the first coin that we looked at. So you guys could rewind the live. I think you could rewind it. Can you? I don't know. If not, it's going to be up after the live ends. Now to see Fibonacci levels, you just you go right here, you click this little arrow, and then you pick it right there. No problem, Brandon. Be safe. All right, let's see. All right, let's look at Ethereum real quick. We covered Ethereum on Monday, but let's take a quick look at it. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Currently at 1631. You guys will see here that this the levels that we're watching here is this right here. So that's definitely a level I like right there. That's right around that 1530 area. I think on Monday's video we spoke about this, and I said I liked above 1530. I like 1500 as well, and below that 1400 level right there, which is basically where we had that bounce. You can see there's a lot of price action there, so you can expect buyers coming in there as well, right? So if we were to continue down, that's kind of the area that I'm looking at, because there's a lot of price action in that area. If we test 1500, I like 1500. If we go up from here, then I'm probably looking above 1700. So 1700 is where we got rejected today. You can see there's a whole lot of price action there. So we got rejected last time. We got rejected a few times before finally breaking out. When we did break out, then we went basically straight to 1800. So a break above 17 should lead us right to 18. So that should be a nice little easy trade. Just keep a tight stop until it decides to finally go out. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching here currently on Ethereum. What else did you guys request? I'm gonna just try to run through these real quick. Let's see Oscar with Polka markets. Bro, that's too new, man. And that shit just dumped. It's a straight dump right there. Look at that dump. That's a 60% dump on that candle. That's too new, so I can't, there's not much to really say on it because there's not enough history. So if there's not enough history, I can't really look at it. Wait, what did I look at? Is that the one that you said? Hold on. It's this one, right? Is that WETH? Is that what it is? Yeah, I think that's the one. Yeah, there's nothing to see there. Let me see. Bussy, what is it? MFT? What's MFT? Oh, Mainframe. Let's take a look at that. So kind of see where it took off from to the highs. Yeah, so currently it looks like it's right at this the golden ratio, 61.8% level, which is right around that 1 cent, 1.012, which is pretty much where it's at right now. So that's kind of, I'd be trying to look to buy as close to that level as possible, which is that 1-2 level. Above that, it will be above, it looks like above 0.15. Above 0.15. That's possibly a breakout trade right there. You can see there was a lot of support at that level. So I like it above that for a possible entry. The target would be 0.18, it looks like, and 2 cents. And eventually this previous high here. So that's where I'd be looking to buy right there, or above this for MFT. Let's see. What? All right, let's look at Bitcoin Cash. I haven't looked at Bitcoin Cash in a while. Let's do it from here, this breakout to its current peak. Move this out the way. So you can see that it broke out to about, what was it, like 650. Then it dumped all the way back down to about 368-ish. Took back off to new highs here for the year, which is 773. And then it dumped back down again. So it's currently, looks like we bounced right off that 61.8% golden ratio. And we're currently sitting on the 50% ratio. So there has been a lot of price action here, as you can see. So that price seems to be like a good level if we can stay above it for a continuation up. That next level that we're probably watching is going to be right around that 600 level, as you guys can see right there. So right around that 600 level looks like is that next target. So if you enter here, as basically as close to $500 as possible, right? You'd be entering as close to 500 as possible, and your target is going to be 575 and 600. If you break above those, then you can expect to see 650 and 700. It looks like all the way up to the previous high here, which is around 760. Oh, it launched today. Yeah, so I can't really as far as like analysis, I can't really say much about it because it's too new. You have to, it's in price discovery mode right now. So you just got to let it do its thing for a bit. Then you'll be able to see what prices are holding. $15 million a coin is tough. All right, guys, we're at 1 hour and a half. We're at 90 likes. Make sure to hit that like button, guys. Let's get that up to 100. Also, we're right about the end. We're gonna do one more coin. Request that coin in the chat. Whichever one I see the most in the next minute, I'll do. We're already at that hour and a half point. I wanted to cut it off at 1 hour, but I always do a little bit more. Let's see what we got, guys. What we got. Put it in the chat. All right, so what's up, GB style? We did basically Cardano, we did Chainlink, we did Polkadot, BNB, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Mainframe. What else did we do? We've done a lot. What's up, Leo? Yeah, we did Cardano already. I don't really see too many coins here. Like everybody has said a different coin. Can we all agree on one coin? What the fuck? All right, let's. All right, that's it. No more requests. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna try to fly through these real quick. So let's look at Ant. Let's throw a fib on it. All right, so it looks like Ant is currently stuck under this resistance right here. That's a golden ratio. A lot of price action here. So $4 is close to $4 is where I'd be looking for a possible entry. It looks like above 475 or so is a possible entry, or if not, if you want to be a little bit safer, maybe above $5. That's pretty much it as far as entries. You know, if it goes back up, then it's definitely going to go back to the previous highs right here. So 750. So if you enter here, you're almost gonna double your money by the time it gets back, which it most likely will. It's just everything is down right now due to Bitcoin pulling the market down. But if this jumps, it should jump as well. Tron. So it looks like Tron went above its previous high. Trying to see where is I'm gonna have to do a new fib because I can't. Wait, is it locked? No. I'm gonna have to do a new one. Hold on. So let's start from more or less right here, all the way up here to 6 cents. Let's see. So we're currently right around this 50% Fibonacci level, which we've seen some price action here, as you guys can see there. But there's definitely resistance here at the 5 cent level, as is where it's previously bounced, as well as it was resistance before there. So yeah, in this level you can enter around here, or you can enter a breakout above 5 cents is what I would say, before it could hit its previous high there. I'm sure it'll test it. So Let's see. We're at 93 likes, guys. I need to see those likes. All right, we did Tron, we did Ant. Doing XLM real quick. Let's see. Just open it up here. All right, so here, more of the same. All these have basically retraced to some level in the some sort of Fibonacci retracement level. So it looks like there's resistance here around that 42 to 45 cent area. So maybe buy above that if it goes up as a breakout buy, and then your targets are basically 50 cents and its previous high, which is 60 cents, right? If it drops lower, it looks like 30 cents here is that buy area. So that would be that buy support right there, which is also the golden ratio. So you can probably expect something like this where it kind of bounces up, comes back, you know, something like that until it retested the previous high. But as you guys know, Bitcoin is going to lead all of these altcoins. So if Bitcoin goes down, if it dumps further, then these are also going to dump further. So analysis kind of go out the window at that point, right? Yeah, MS, we covered Litecoin already. You can rewind the video and check it out. All right, guys. So we did 2 more. I'm pretty much done though. I am tired. Live streaming is hard and it's hot because I have to turn the AC off because it's really loud. That's pretty much it, guys. Going back to Bitcoin to see what's going on since we last looked at it. As you guys can see here, we're holding on slightly at this support right here right now. So this is a 23.6% Fibonacci zone. We need to see a bounce here. We definitely need to see a bounce here. Right now, this is a indecision coin. So I guess that would be better than having a red coin like this. So an indecision coin here, which is considered a doji, can be a sign of a reversal to possibly head up this week. So that's what we're watching right now in Bitcoin. Remember, the most important coins to always look at is Bitcoin and Ethereum. They basically lead the rest of the market. When Bitcoin has to either go up or it has to consolidate in order for everything else to move, right? So those are the 2 coins that we mainly track and analyze, as they are the most important coins in the market. Without these, if these do bad, everything else is going to do bad. So everything else doesn't matter. No problem, Derek. Alrighty, guys, make sure to hit that like button, guys. Appreciate you guys. It's been an amazing time with you guys. Amazing stream today. We streamed for an hour and 41 minutes. We had up to 104 people in here at one point. It was fun. Good times. We analyzed, I think, around 10 coins probably today. So that should be enough for you guys. We will be doing, remember, we do live streams every week, at least once a week. If there's anything major going on, then we might just randomly jump on, you know, during another day during the week. That's basically it. Thank you guys. You guys have been amazing. Appreciate you guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. We're on the way to 10,000 subs. We passed 5,000 subs last week, I believe it was. So let's keep it going, guys. On the road to 10,000 now. I am tired. Peace out, guys.